Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. GnuCash is available in the official Ubuntu repository, so you can install it easily by running the following command. Once the GnuCache is installed, go into your desktop. There you will see an icon, or you can search it by the system search bar. GnuCache will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.